Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about everything you need, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Everything you need is a complete business bundle that includes 10 must-have software tools combined with 3 complete training courses that cover affiliate marketing and product launching. This package is being sold as a single, bundle deal, for a mid-ticket $97 197 sale price without autos or upgrades. This offer is designed to capitalize on the current buyer's trend of wanting bundle deals, combined with the marketing potential of valid, real-world, income proof that gets customers excited to buy. Let's see what is it.
Warning: the following video is not for people looking for a get-rich-quick gimmick, or for people who love wasting money buying overhyped garbage that never gets them results. It's for serious people looking to build a real online business. If this does not apply to you, then please exit this page right now. Still here? Good, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how you can get the exact blueprint and software tools that I personally used to build my 7-figure online business. But first, let me show you some of the amazing results that are possible. Hey guys, Brett here, and I've been in the IM MMO space for quite some time, and I've made millions of dollars in that space. And in that time, I've also seen thousands of people purchase hundreds of products hoping that they can be a success themselves. The problem is none of these products are ever a complete solution. They always leave something important out. People will buy a training only to find out that they also need some kind of software in order to implement that training. People will buy software to find out that it doesn't come with training to teach people how to actually make money with that software. There's always a piece missing. And what this does is it gets people on a rat race of buying products over and over again and never actually getting anywhere. Well, I decided it was time to do something about that. And so I created a system that includes everything people need in order to be successful online. It's a system that includes training that teaches every aspect of my business. Everything that I've done to be a success is taught in this training. But beyond that, it also includes all the software tools that I use in my business to implement that training as well. Everything is included. The instructions that teach people how to be a success and the software that they need to implement those instructions. This is literally everything you need. And that's what I call this, the everything you need system, because nothing is left out. Now earlier, I asked everyone watching this video if they're serious about running a successful online business, or if they just like to buy products for the sake of buying. If you're a person that just likes to buy things, that just likes to spend money, then this is not for you. However, if you're serious about running a successful, profitable online business, then this is literally everything you need. In that case, all you need to do is click below to get started right now.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.